Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a half up, half down hairstyle on my frontal wig. I also have a video of how I install my frontal. I do not do my wigs myself, but I know how to reinstall a frontal wig. So yeah, I will make sure I post the link down below so you guys can see. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to comb through my hair, I guess. And now I'm going to take my rat tail comb with the metal bottom, and I'm looking this way because my mirror is here, so I do want some of the sides down, so I'm not going to have a ponytail that's all the way up like that, if that makes sense. Some of the sides will be down. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and just part it. I'm pretty much parting it in a triangle. So when the other side meets this side, I am parting it like that to make a triangle. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So you guys can kind of see the part like that. And now I'm going to do the other side. So I am taking it and I am parting it this way. Like that. Ooh, my arms are hurting. Okay. So I'm going to take my rat tail comb. Before I start putting my hair in a ponytail, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just kind of comb through it again. It's a little hard because I did put Gots to Be glue on my hair to lay it down. So, yeah. Alright. Now I'm taking a hair tie and I am just going to put it in a ponytail. Kind of looks crazy right now, but look at the ponytail. So that's how it looks, you guys. Nice and flat. That's how that side looks. So I'm going to move this out of my way. So you guys, the hairstyle I'm going for today is a bun at the top and just like really cute wand curls. This is personally my favorite hairstyle. I wear this hairstyle a lot. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to divide my hair into two sections, and I need a scrunchie, don't I? I don't have another hair tie, so that's how that part is going to stay. And I'm just going to start from the back. I'm getting tiny pieces like this. I'm going to put the rest of this up. So I'm using a curling wand. I'm wrapping it away from my face because that's how I like my curls to fall. And I'm just going to hold on to this piece for about 7-8 seconds. I'm just going to hold the curl in my hand for a little bit until it cools off. And and this is the curl that I got. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair. I'm just going to let y'all watch how I do the rest, and then when I get to the top I will show you guys what I do. I'm getting to the top, you guys. I want the top to be really flat, so what I'm going to do is, before I curl this piece, I'm going to take my flat iron and I'm just going to press the roots. Yeah, I'm just going to press the roots of the hair, then I'm going to curl it so it can just lay flatter. I'm just going to take my curling wand to make it even more flatter, like this part, and I'm just going to press it on my hair. So now I'm going to do the other side and I will be right back. So before I comb out my curls, you guys, this is how it came out. Before I comb them out, what I'm going to do is work on my bun. I'm going to split it in two. That. And I'm going to take this side first and just kind of wrap it around. I'm going to take some bobby pins for this little piece that's left, and I'm going to pin it into my ponytail. So now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to wrap it around. So I'm going to bring it up like this, you guys, and I'm going to wrap it to the right too. So I'm holding it down and wrapping it to the right. And you guys can use hairspray to keep the bun in place. I don't really like doing all of that, honestly. Alright you guys, so this is how my bun looks. Let me zoom out. Well, I guess I can, y'all, this is how the bun looks. I'm gonna take my MAC pencil. This is in the shade Cork, and it's just like a really light brown. I'll show y'all how it looks on my skin tone. You guys can see it. Yeah, it's just a little lighter. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little lighter than my skin tone. Well, it's a lot lighter actually. And I'm going to use it to make the part visible. But I'm just going to draw a line so it can look neater and straighter, like that. Yep, and I'm gonna do the other side too. I'm gonna take a big comb and I'm just gonna comb through my curls. So I'm gonna start from the bottom so they don't get frizzy. I'm not gonna really comb through them a lot because I don't want them to get super big. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!